Welcome along to your latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. More heavy downpours to come in places and more strong winds, but it's always staying mild through the rest of this week. We do have a Met Office yellow warning in place through Monday evening across the southwest. Further heavy rain falling here on ground that's already saturated. It could cause a few problems. Bands of rain moving northwards, but tending to clear away, actually. A blustery night with gales at times along the west coast. But the winds will ease perhaps a little as the rain moves through, and with clearer skies, while temperatures are likely to stay above freezing, but it will turn a little cooler as we head towards dawn, maybe well down into single figures through some sheltered glens. But as I say, we should avoid a frost, and then we'll have generally a bright start to Tuesday. Don't get used to it because more rain will initially push in from the southwest, and then we'll see more showers developing as we go through the day. Likely to be a damp start across Shetland as well, but that rain should clear, and then actually across much of the north, a good chunk of the day will be dry, but elsewhere we'll see more heavy showers coming in across the southern uplands in particular, more heavy rain to come, but also Perthshire, Stirling seeing plenty of wet weather and frequent showers moving their way through the central belt and up towards Oban as well. As I said, something a bit drier and brighter across the far north with southerly winds. It's always going to be pretty mild as well, with temperatures 11 to 13, perhaps 14 degrees Celsius in a few places. So mild and showery as we go through Tuesday evening. Those showers will continue to work north. We'll see more coming in from the south, but I think we'll see a bit of a shift as we head into Wednesday. A change in wind direction. More coming in from the west means that showers will be mostly focused across the Highlands and the Western Isles. Well, they'll be heavy and frequent. Some may be getting further east, but generally a drier day through the central belt and certainly across the south. A much drier day on Wednesday compared to Tuesday. Still pretty blustery, particularly in the northwest. And temperatures, again, double figures up to the teens where we see some decent spells of sunshine. So pretty mild again for the time of year, but it's going to get milder still through the rest of this week. It's going to stay very windy with outbreaks of rain at times, mostly focused on the Highlands and the Western Isles. Other areas looking a little drier for the second half of the week. And as I said, it's always staying very mild. For a full week ahead forecast across the whole of the UK, subscribe to all our YouTube channels or make sure you're following us on Twitter and Facebook.